Most new mortgage brokers worry the industry is already full. Too many advisors, too much competition, not enough opportunity. That fear usually shows up pretty early as well, but it's also usually aimed at the wrong problem. So in this video, we're going to be breaking down a few things. We're going to be looking at whether mortgage broking is actually oversaturated in the UK, why competition feels higher than it really is, and what actually determines who succeeds. So is mortgage brokering actually oversaturated? Now on paper, there are a lot of mortgage brokers. That part is very much true. But volume alone doesn't equal saturation. Okay, saturation happens only when capable professionals can't differentiate, earn consistently, or add any value. And that's not what's happening in the mortgage industry. See, what exists instead is a wide gap between those who operate with structure and those who absolutely don't. But then why does it feel so oversaturated to new mortgage brokers? Well, it feels overcrowded because visibility is uneven. A small number of brokers are absolutely everywhere. Most of them work with me. They post often, they partner widely, and they dominate the conversations. And that creates the illusion that everyone is an established broker who is winning all the time. But in reality, most brokers operate quietly, inconsistently, and without a clear system. See, noise is concentrated. Competence, though, is definitely not. So what actually creates competition in the mortgage industry? Well, competition isn't created by numbers. It's created by similarities. When brokers offer the same services, communicate the same messages, rely on the same lead sources, and run similar processes, they compete on price, on speed, or availability. And that's where the pressure shows up. So then what separates brokers who thrive from ones who struggle? Well, the market rewards clarity. It doesn't reward volume. Brokers who succeed, they usually have clear positioning and client focus. They have a repeatable process they follow time and time again, consistent communication, and a predictable lead flow. They don't try to appeal to absolutely everyone. They become the obvious choice for someone specific. And that removes most of the competition. So then why do new mortgage brokers misread the market early on? Well, early on, confidence is definitely fragile. Every lost lead feels like it's proof that the market is just too full. But most lost leads aren't lost to competition. They're lost due to hesitation, due to unclear messaging, or inconsistent follow-up. See, that's a process issue. That's not a saturation issue. See, mortgage brokering in the UK is not too crowded to enter. It's not closed to new brokers. It's not won only by the loudest voices, and it's not dependent on being first. See, the real lesson here is that mortgage brokering is not oversaturated. It is unevenly structured. That's the best way to describe it. New brokers who struggle, they don't lose because there are too many advisors. They lose because they haven't built clarity yet. They haven't built systems yet. They haven't built their confidence yet. And once those appear, the market stops feeling crowded and it starts feeling full of opportunity. But it is very tough to do, and a lot of people quit along this journey. And so I break down in a video on screen right now how most people quit, why they quit, the decisions that takes them to that point. Hopefully you won't have to do that. So watch that video and make sure that you are well prepared.